Hello, my name is Barbara Lewis. Today I have two simple first thing in the morning exercises for you to use when you just start your singing, perhaps first thing in the morning. Really easy warm-up that gets your body going, that gets you smiling. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe. And if you like this video in particular, please like it. That lets me know what's working and what more I can do. So let's get started. I'll see you in the next frame. So when I start my warm-up, I work first of all in my speaking voice. Some people would call it the chest voice, down here. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Just in a very easy spoken place. Getting the muscles warmed up, getting my smile warmed up. That smile that helps all of those muscles to be in the right position. It kind of wakes up the strength of the shoulders and the strength of the back of the neck. If you really smile, you lift your cheeks. So here we go. First I'm going to sing it through, and then I'm going to sing it through with you, and then I'm going to do it just for you. It's very simple. It's 3, 2, 1. 3 blind mice. Very easy. Here we go. If you know this, sing along. If you don't, then just listen. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 So I take that in about an octave range from this low G here to this high G here, which is just above middle C. It's a very easy spoken range, and I think it works for almost all voices. So let's do it again. I'm going to do it a little more slowly, and then you can do it with me. We start here. If anything is out of your range, if anything hurts you, stop. You're never supposed to hurt. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 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 I hope that was easy for you. It's no big deal. You're just getting the body going first thing in the morning. It's a good time to sing before you've spoken too much. So I'm going to take you through this again. Just you. I'm just going to play. I'm going to mimic my singing so you know the rhythm, you know where to come in, but you can hear yourselves. Here we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. Good. Now I hope that was easy. No big deal for you. Just a kind of a get going. It's in your spoken place. Now I have two distinct registers. Some people don't. They have one voice that goes right through the register bottom to top. Many singers have distinct registers, and we work for most of our lives. Some of us or don't do that. It just starts to blend. We work on blending those two registers, and that's what I do. The second part then of this early morning exercise is, again, it's really easy. I start in the head voice area, upper range a little bit for tenors, baritones. You come in when you want. For we female singers, altos, sopranos, this is not hard to come in here, for the most part. And it's head voice, it's heady. Yum, 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 yum. And I use the yum because it starts with an E. It's a very narrow vowel. So you're not straining to make a big tone. It's just yum, 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 yum. Keep it small. Yum, 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 yum. 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 Yum, 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 so I'm going down through the heady area. I started to see some people will still be singing in their spoken voice up there, but I'm choosing to start in my heady sound because I want to exercise both registrations and find a way to blend them today. Here we go. Let's do it together. Yum, 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 yum. Yum, 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 yum. Stay happy. Yum, 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 yum. 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 Stay happy means to me that you have a really nice inner smile. Your cheeks are lifted. Everything feels as though it's taut, not tight, never tight, never tense, just lifted. That opens up areas of the body and inside the mouth that's very helpful for singers. Let's do it again. This time I'll pretend to sing just to keep you on track. Here we go. You can do this. Good. So those are two simple exercises to begin your day. No strain. It just gets the whole thing working. It gets you into this uplifted, I'm a happy singer look. Get the ears open to feel the strength in the back of the neck. The shoulders are broad. You're sitting tall. Your chest is not lifted up like this, but it's just in a proud position. You're breathing deeply. That's a great way to start your day as a person, as a speaker, and as a singer. I wish you great singing, and I'll see you next time. Bye-bye.